Jayco Jay Flight 28 RLS for sale in Carolina Beach, North Carolina 28428. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Jayco Jay Flight 28 RLS. This luxury travel trailer is 28 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 1 power retractable slides, 1 18-foot power retractable awning, as well as manual front and back leveling jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its light clean condition. This 2017 Jayco Jay Flight 28 RLS Travel Trailer RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area with 3-burner stove/oven, microwave, 10 cubic feet refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink dinette, 32 flat screen surround sound DVD/radio, sofa sleeper, 2 recliners, glass shower enclosure, outside shower, rear queen bed, walk around, 15,000 BTU Central/ducted AC, 21,000 to 28,000 BTUs furnace water heater, 6 gallons Hitch stabilizer, spare tire, reverse osmosis water system with dispenser, aluminum wheels, 50 amp service. Inverter comes with too many extras to name. Has all cords, hoses, etc. ready to roll. This 2017 Jayco Jay Flight 28 RLS is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Jayco travel trailer can be yours.